Good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? How's it, Wayne? Gamerzone? What's up, Jared? Alright, so the breakdowns I did on YouTube yesterday instead of just the normal Discord breakdown. So you can go and find that here on the channel. Alright. But looking at today, we have already had quite a nice reaction to this 1682 level. So we open up and we've pushed straight down. Sorry guys. You know, I uninstalled this app and I still get notifications. I don't understand. But anyway, your daily candle has pushed down here with no top wick. So there is, you know, obviously a chance we come up and create that top wick. A very high probability that we come up and create that top wick. So for now, I'm not too convinced here on gold. I do like that we are closing bearish off of this level, and I would like to be looking for sells based off something like that. But you know, we could be always executing on an idea and just grabbing 10 pips or so, and then, you know, just managing risk when price does come up and create that top wick. It's just not really an ideal situation here on gold. So even though Friday's candle is so bullish, we're still respecting these previous lows at 1682. This is a very significant area, and you can see once we broke below this area in September, we dropped like 600 pips. We did get like a bit of a retest here on the low, or I think you'll be able to see it better on an hourly. So in September we broke and retested this area quite nicely, and then we came back up, broke back above 1682. So this whole move right here was like a fake out, and then we broke back below, retested, moved down, and now we are just in essence tapping the zone once again, looking for sells from this area. Even with the daily candle looking the way it is, we are still bearish overall, and this 1682 level is a very significant area. If we do break above 1682, obviously there is some room for more upside here on gold, so we'll see. Overall, I think we would need a catalyst to drive us up back to 1730, so we'd probably have to see improved numbers for CPR on Thursday. But overall, I'm still very much bearish from gold for now. What's up, David? Which David is this? The dollar certainly opened up really strong across the board. GJ here. We've got a nice little bottom wick on the daily and the weekly. So in the breakdown, as discussed, what I was looking for was a bottom wick to be formed, tapping into 166. And we've tapped into this level quite nicely right there. And now it looks like we have formed a resistance right over here. So far, this is playing out exactly as broken down on the breakdown of Snart. And now looking for some lower time frame setups here. So we've got resistance right here on the hourly. The problem with this is you've got another level right here. You may be better off waiting for closures above this range right here. So yeah, on GJ, I'm looking for a closure above 167 for us to move up and fill this range right here. You can see the last time we formed resistance right here at 167 and broke above, we actually moved quite perfectly into what would be our target at 167,880. So expecting to see something similar to that right there with volume, expecting us to fill this range, moving up into 167,880. Oh, it's David Burt. What's up, bro? Four hour also closed bullish. Yeah, this is actually quite a nice setup here on the 4 hour. So I might be happy to take some more aggressive entries. So bar stops on the break of the previous 4 hour highs to me makes sense here. And you do actually still have about 13 pips moving up to that resistance to the left there. So that could just be our break even point, that resistance level right here. And then stop loss should be on the lows of the previous 4 hour for 35 pips. Not too bad. Overall targets here are pretty big, so 96 pips. 35 pips stop for 96 pips. If you're worried about risk to reward, that's not too bad at all. active buy stop? No, I haven't put it in yet. So I'm gonna have a buy stop at 166,935 here on GJ. Your 4 hour is about to flip. Once we break the previous 4 hour highs, we'll be in here. No, I mean if it's a valid buy stop, well, that's what I've planned. So I suppose you could call this more of an impulse entry. Definitely not now. Yeah? And the reason I'm happy to take buys on the break of the highs here without waiting for a candle closure is we've already got a 4 hour candle closure. So we've already got that 4 hour confirmation. So in a time of volume, breaking the highs here would be our second confirmation, and we don't need to wait for a closure because with volume we are anticipating price to at least drive us up to 167.050, which is going to give us 12 to 15 pips where we can go break even. And then if it does continue to push bullish, which by the looks of things it should, because that's what we've analyzed, or there's a higher probability that it should, and that is what we've analyzed, then, you know, obviously it's worth the risk. Stop loss will be below the previous 4 hour candle here for about 35 pips at 166,570. These numbers I call out on screen, obviously you just need to be aware that your broker is going to be different if you are looking at taking these trades. You know, my stop loss here on my broker is 166.550, and my buy stop is 166.920 on my broker. But prices given here on screen, these are the numbers here. So just be aware of that, and obviously account for spread. XU for the week, gold. You can go and have a look at the breakdown I posted yesterday on YouTube for my opinions on gold. Overall, unless we break above 1682, I'm definitely not taking buys just yet. I would still actually like to see sales play out. This is a very critical level at 1682, and we can see prices just open up this week and push straight down here. NFP was actually quite wild there. Yeah, current market conditions are very weird. It seems as though any bit of bad data for the USD is holding a lot more weight. Rumors are holding a lot more weight than actual facts. So sorry guys, lack of sleep. Fed pivot rumors. Wow. Are holding a lot more weight than actual rate hike, which is a fact. So weird times. And NFP actually had good data. We just had some bad unemployment data. You know, generally when data is mixed like this, you'll maybe see some sort of ranging, but man, not on Friday. Friday gold was relentless. What time is London open? It's an hour later than usual. So my time here on the screen, it'll be 10 o'clock. London open will be 10 o'clock. So an hour and 40 minutes away. If we do break the support here on gold at 1670, we do have quite a nice range moving down here. It's just such a tricky situation with that daily having no top wick and Friday's candle being so bullish. And like I say, I'm still pretty much bearish on gold even with that big bullish candle. Just the level we're sitting at here. I'd like to be looking for sells from this area. It's just with no top wick on the daily, it poses some challenges. As we see, 9 times out of 10, you know, price will come back up and create that top wick. Is London Open always going to be later now? It's just daylight savings. I think it changes once a year. What's up, Jared?
How's it, bro? How are you?
Alright, and yourself?
Yes, no complaints, eh?
Yeah, how was your holiday?
Oh, it was good, eh? Yeah. I've been busy, but managed
Poch,
to get it done. Pardon?
Where were you, Poch?
Yeah, Potchefstroom.
Potchefstroom.
Yes, that's like a little town, eh?
Is it?
No, it's solid, eh?
Yeah, I saw you chowing steak, drinking beer. Looks like you had a good time.
Yes, bro. We went to Spur.
Yeah.
And then we ordered a chicken schnitzel, a large, and then they brought us the half portion. So we were like, can you bring us a full portion? So they just brought us another half, dude. I was like, oh wait. I was like, sweet.
2 halves make a whole.
Dude, yes. And then someone got like double the amount of chips, double the amount of onion rings. I was like, no complaints from me.
Oh yeah, that's actually lekker.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. No, also I failed the first funding challenge.
Oh shit, Jared, what? In a week? What did you do?
No, let me tell you what happened, right? So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna start this out and I'm gonna risk a % per trade, right? So obviously I was trading off myself. So then, for some other reason, I checked. Let's say, for example, now I was at 1650, right?
Okay.
Then I was like, okay, cool. We're at 1650. You're gonna put a stop at 1648. Right?
Like a sell stop. What?
No, like
stop
the
loss.
stop loss.
Okay.
Yeah. Put it in. Then I get that email, and I'm like, okay. I was like, what happened here? Then price obviously went against me, right? But I put my stop at like 1639 instead of like 1649.
Oh
so
shit.
I was like, man, I was like, what the hell? So then I obviously got that email and I was like, dude, it is what it is.
What does it say? Hard breach. Fuck, bro. Shit.
Yeah, so I was like, shit, dude, okay. Well, clearly I've lost this one.
Yeah, but I mean, you can just pick it back up when you're ready.
Yeah,
like, I know you said you're not doing it like to to be too serious. It's just a challenge, really.
Yeah, so I'm gonna. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna buy another funding challenge this afternoon or sometime,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna start again and just because now I'm back at my laptop. Now I've got that like,
Yeah, a bit more focused.
yeah, a bit more focused, and also like I've got my trading times again and all this. So yeah, it's yeah, man, I felt like an idiot.
Nah, don't worry.
Yeah,
See, at least you committed to a small account, smaller,
yeah,
and not the 100K.
yeah. I was
Because
like,
now
damn,
you,
geez.
yeah. I'm
Yeah, it's
typing
like
what I'm
lost.
saying here. Do you ever do
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I did, yeah. But yeah, if I lost the 10K, like the 10,000 rand one, then I would have been pissed off. Then I would have been like, oh,
Yeah,
fuck. Yeah,
100%.
yeah. But it was relative. It wasn't a lot of money, so I was like, oh yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
chill. Yeah, $89.
I mean, you got your own live account, which is
Yeah, so
already substantial. So the fund it is just a nice little extra.
yeah,
If you can work your way up.
yeah. I see I got a thing on their website that they have a 300K account for $1,400.
Yeah,
Yes, hey, they fucking giving you bank, eh?
yeah, bud. Fuck. But if you lose,
Yo, dude, then
yeah,
you're like,
that's like 20K down the drain.
yo, dude, yes, then you're like, oh, fuck's sakes.
I got onto a 300 the other day, but it's I merged my
Build
two.
capital. Oh, really? Can you do that?
Yeah, you can merge up to 300.
Oh, yeah. Is that the max you can have?
You can have like, as far as I know, you can have two 300K accounts on my
Oh,
Forex
yeah.
funds.
And then let's say now, for example, I get the 300K account and I trade fucking well. There's no stop point where they're like, okay, well, you have enough money in this account.
Oh nah, they won't.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I saw someone the other day got paid out, well, there were two payouts actually, over like 100K.
Jeez. Young 1.8 million?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Cool, but I'll be on in a second as well. Good guy.
No worries.
Cool.
Yeah, on gold, even though the daily has no top wick, we've had a strong reaction to 1682, and we have formed a support here. So obviously when price is trending up and we're forming a support, we'd be looking to move back up to the highs generally. But we have to look at the levels and the higher time frame. 1682 is definitely a level where we could see some further dollar strength. You could see the bears come back into the picture here on gold, and what we're seeing right now is once we form the support, alright, we are pushing up here, but we are struggling to break back above 1675. We're struggling to push back up and create new highs or move back up to this high, and I believe if we break this previous 4-hour low, we could get a nice impulse move, maybe filling this wick right here. if we're using previous 30-minute stops, stops are relatively small, 23 pips. To fill this wick as your first target, that's about 25 pips. To fill the ranger, 50 pips. So I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of the lows here as well. Break of the previous 4-hour lows at 1670, 350. We haven't broken those lows just yet. We just tapped into them perfectly, so I shouldn't be in. I'm not in.
Just gold isn't looking bad, eh?
For some sells here or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just tough with the daily having no top wick, but if we break these lows, I mean, we should get maybe like a at least 10-15 pip squeeze. Hopefully get to break even, yeah.
Yeah.
And fill this
I could
wick to
also
the left.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I could also see that wick fill being a target today. Yeah. Yeah, that possibly could be the move before it comes up to create a top wick on the daily.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, right now it's struggling where price is sitting at the moment. You know, it's
Yeah.
not really, doesn't have the momentum to move back up and move back up into that 1682 level to create that top wick. It's kind of just hovering here right now.
Yeah. But as long as it doesn't break the previous 30 candles high, then I mean, we should be sorted to go and fill that wick.
Yeah. Looks like we're creating a steeper top wick here on the current 30-minute candle. Just like Jared said, if we do break that previous 30-minute high, you know, there's less of a probability then that this trade plays out. And I'm using that previous 30-minute high as my stop loss. So I don't really want to see us break above 1672, 700. GJ just consolidating here right now. I'm leaving these bar stops in. The 4-hour is set up.
Jeez, bro, I think those birds have climbed into my roof, eh?
Are you serious?
Dude, I'm not even joking. It's pissing me off, eh? Yeah, I'm still gonna climb up there this afternoon with a broom, dude.
Just go catch them, man. You can cook them for supper. It's protein.
Yo, dude, that's my game plan, dude, with a little bit of rice and soy sauce. Yes, yeah, dude, I don't, maybe they have eggs as well. That's how they're in the roof. Yeah, have breakfast as well tomorrow morning.
Maybe they're laying eggs. You can
Oh,
have free
that's what I'm
breakfast.
thinking as well. Oh, dude, it's gonna go from a young married couple to a fucking squad, eh?
Justin
Yes.
says daily candle has a top wick, but only because on RC it opened with a 70 pip gap and filled it already. I wonder if I can see this on another. Yeah, on RC it actually doesn't look too bad. It's kind of weird, actually. Jared, don't you have a Blueberry account?
Yeah, I did. Do you want me to go have a look?
Does your daily have a top wick?
Let me check quickly. It actually does, but it's printed weird. I'll someone just send you a screenshot quickly.
What the fuck?
It's printed very weird, very very weird. Is this? No, I'm not right. No, fuck. Sorry. Let me see. You checked it out?
I'll check now.
I sent it to you on WhatsApp, I think.
Oh yeah, well if everyone's daily candles have a top wick on the broker, I guess we can just go full margin then.
I'm already in full margin now. Since last week, yeah.
I already blew my account.
Now there we talking, yeah. That's how you trade, guys.
Yeah, Jared, mine looks the same. I think they all look the same. That's weird, but we should be good for sales. I mean, like I say, if we break previous 4-hour lows, we should at least get like a 10-15 pip squeeze. Potentially fill this wick to the left. DXY retesting 110.700 and heading back up. Yeah, dollar, like I say, open up strong across the board. We can see gold gap down, DXY gapped up. Got a nice 4-hour candle closure here on a previous, this was our previous higher high, and then we found support here before, so 110.700 is quite a nice level, forming support right there.
No full margin. Clearly, you've never been on stream before. That's all we do.
Joe, don't talk shit. I always talk about risk management, position sizing correctly, no full margin, guys. It's just a joke. You know, you gotta take some things with a pinch of salt. Yeah, on USD CNH. So this is the dollar to the Chinese currency. I've just been having a look at this to just keep an eye on like the current affairs since we've been seeing these interventions, and I noticed that on this pair we closed at quite a critical support as well, just like gold closing on that critical resistance. And we also opened up here with a massive bullish candle at market open. So like I say, straight off the bat, we're seeing a lot of dollar strength across the board to start the week.
I was actually very surprised about how gold closed last week. Eh?
Yeah, I know. Listen, that move was a little bit unexpected.
Yeah.
But the only way I could really explain it is what I saw was Fed saying that the markets are illiquid and it may result in markets the market misfunctioning. So all the algos that are driving price, they have to kind of readjust to these unique situations, and sometimes you get this insane volatility like on Friday. So we clearly just didn't have enough liquidity to break the lows at 16.16. And like I said earlier on, bad data for the USD is holding a lot more weight, so anything to support like stock market bulls. So we saw like mixed data for the USD, and we saw like a 300 pip move up. So it doesn't really make all that much sense. Something that Seth shared in the group, the Discord group, there's been a lot of institutional interest in institutional demand in gold as of late. Central banks buying up gold. Maybe that's what we're seeing here. In the breakdown yesterday, I said maybe we're seeing gold start to act as a hedge against fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Since we are seeing, a lot more of that as of late.
Yeah, what Seth shared was power, yeah?
Yeah, that was very nice. Very nice information. We're deleting both trades now. Nah, there's still an hour and 15 minutes until London Open.
I think we should get a song while we wait, bro. Come on, gold. Let's go. Come on, gold. Let's go.
So what, our time, no, our time didn't change. Their time changed. Daylight savings. London time moved an hour forward. Yeah, no, I've been looking at daylight savings now for the past week, trying to figure it out. But it's quite a simple concept, but it's not getting to my head. Nico, you're not understanding. London Open is in an hour and 10 minutes. Hello? Come to my house right now. We're gonna stream this boxing match. What are you talking about? It's New York Open in 15 minutes. What the fuck are you guys going on about?
What the fuck are you guys? Yes. Yes, you got it. You're Roger Banks this morning, eh? Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Yes, dude. Gold's really not looking bad, eh?
Yeah.
I
I
just
agree
obviously
that.
won't take anything because we're coming into 10 minutes before our close.
Mm. Yeah, I'm looking to also just wait for the hourly close.
Sorry, the garbage truck just pitched up, so I just wanted to somehow go close my window.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Where
Yeah, we got 7.5 minutes here until the new hourly candle. Gold's starting to flip, so I'm gonna delete these sell stops here in gold. Just wait for the hourly candle to close. And then GJ. Yeah, right now this hourly candle is quite bearish. As long as we respect previous 4-hour lows, this trade idea is still valid. Gold bears buying. So I'm going to delete buy stops here as well. Just waiting for the hourly candle to close. Yeah, tough situation with how it looks like it may close here. Looks like it's going to close quite bearish. Like I say, 4-hour time frame, this is still valid for buys on the break of the highs here. All pending orders have been deleted, yes. Got no trades in here. Waiting for the hourly candle to close. I can't get over this comment, gold bears buying. It's like Jay Smith the one day when he came in and he said, I'm going long on a sell. Fuck's sakes.
Yes, that was kind of funny, yeah.
Come on, man. Really. $2,397. The last time I updated the pip count here on the stream was like 300 pips ago.
Con, where's Katie off to?
Kaylin, she's off to America, man.
Really far
She's
along.
in Florida right now. For a year, yeah.
For a year.
Yeah.
Jeez, so we can take you out to go find new girls now.
Nah.
Nah, just raving.
Nah, I'm being good. Staying faithful.
Yo, I think Nico would beat the shit out of you if you actually did that. So.
I'm just taking this time to actually focus and buckle down on, you know, my work and just my daily routine. Obviously, you know, now I've got a bit more time to myself, so I need to make sure I use it wisely, not wasting it. Is that Nico?
Yes, I'm coming here to fart.
Oh yeah, come.
Listen, why are you being a clown?
Please explain to me what you're talking about.
Oh, chat even explained it. You're being a fucking clown, Connor. Our
What?
time is 8:45. We delete by any pending orders that haven't been triggered in. We delete them.
That's
Now it's
because
Yeah, now
London
it's
Open.
9:45. Yes, that's what I was saying. So I was like, okay, so it's 9:45 now.
It's not 9:45.
Then what is it?
8:45. Or it was
No,
8:45.
whatever the fuck it was.
But London Open was at 9. London Open is not at 9 anymore. Daylight savings has changed. It's at 10 o'clock. So this is still long before London Open. I'm happy to take an impulse entry now.
Listen to me, Dad. I'm saying because it's changed by an hour, our time becomes from 8:45 to 9:45. Is that correct?
No, it's not.
Say, okay.
It's not.
So what's our time's gonna be then?
Our time stays the same. We don't have daylight savings in South Africa. London's time has changed.
So when are we deciding to delete orders that we have pending in before London?
30 minutes before London Open. 9:30.
Why? Because of that now.
That was the rule all along. Half an hour before London Open, no more trades.
It's 15 minutes.
Well, half an hour before London Open, I don't want to be taking trades. But we've still got an hour here.
Can you see Shaker's playing games? He's playing Rust.
On Discord.
Yeah. Because he's in a private group, so I see playing Rust.
Hold on.
Send him a direct message, Connor. There's no time to play games. See what he says.
If we can get a little bit more of a top wick here on gold, I'm going to reset these sell stops. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, that should be good. I'm going to reset these sell stops. So I'm going to have a sell stop at 1673.50. Shit. I just did a market execution.
So what do you guys thoughts on gold?
I've taken sells here.
Oh yeah, I'm also in.
Stops above the previous hourly. I've got involved maybe, yeah, about 2 pips below where I wanted to. But stops are still, let's see, about 25, 26 pips.
Cool. Just for anybody listening, we've got into sell stops on XAU USD. We've got a stop loss at 1672.7. Our entry is roughly at 1670.4, and our first target for break even is 1668.5.
That's him. If this current candle comes up, flips bullish, breaks its own high, at that point I'll close 75%. Because we waited for that top wick to, or this candle to create a slightly steeper top wick, and then we came down, broke these lows. So expecting to see some volume on the break of these lows, not expecting us to re-break this current candle high. But in theory, we are still valid to drive down here, as long as you don't break above the previous hourly high.
Jeez, Wayne got slipped 3 pips there.
Got moved quite quickly.
Yeah.
I'm in about a pip and a half below where I wanted to be in. Just because I had to do a market execution. Break
Actually,
even
what's the
point.
execution?
Is it?
Yeah.
We've still got 17 pips to the break even point, which is decent. Maybe close 75% there. Or sorry, 50%.
But with London open starting a little bit later, it's not too much of a hassle. It's going to take some time for that volume to get back to normal around London open. But for now, it should be fine from my experiences in the past.
Bro, why can't I mute myself in Discord?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Our mute button is gone.
My mute button's also gone.
Is it because we're in general and not live polls?
Yeah, mine's still there. Pick the bottom left of your screen.
Huh?
It's not there, bro. Like where it usually was, it's not.
Mine's also gone.
Mine's still here. That's weird. So let's exit.
Oh, I
and
got
go
it.
to Apples.
Is it?
Should we exit? Go to live chat.
And let's just see if that makes a difference for Nico.
Okay. Justice, my ears.
I also found it. Let's see, because the bottom tab thing goes over it.
Oh, see
Like
it.
hidden.
That 5-minute candle closed nice and strong. I would expect us to drive into our break-even point now.
Yeah, I'm about 5 pips in profit at the moment.
I'm like 1 pip in profit.
Really? Yes, and you guys really did get slipped.
Oh.
Yeah.
2 pips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Break even. I'm gonna retire, guys. Well done. Thanks for joining the live stream. I'm gonna get going.
Final target. Final target for me for this morning will be 1665. There's potential for more downside, but daily candle looks kind of funny here on November. There's no top wick, so if we could just fill this range, I'm gonna take my profits there at 1665.
Yeah, I'm even somewhat comfortable with the wick fill, so like getting out to 1667.7 because that's almost 30 pips. But I mean, we'll somehow just see how it goes.
Yeah, well, I'll definitely be securing profit as we hit that break-even point. So I
Yeah.
suppose you could say first target for me, 68, 500.
Oh yeah.
Nico, are you ready to get back into the gym? Man's been on holiday.
I'll tell you we can come today.
Okay,
Bro, listen, bro, something's going on with my MetaTrader, but I can't close position out, dude.
don't
And
tell me
earlier I
that,
couldn't
dude.
close. I swear to God, bro, I can't close any position out. So try typing your position that you want to close out. Does it work?
Yeah.
Mine's not working, bro. Like I promise you, I'm pressing these buttons. I can put the Z, like whatever I want to. Doesn't.
Nico, do you have another broker linked to your MetaTrader? Like just even an old account?
Yeah.
Sign into that one quickly and then sign
This is
back.
empty file, bro. I don't have
Yeah,
anything.
yeah. But then sign into it quickly, then sign back, and then see if that makes a difference. Because sometimes when you sign back in, it connects you to the closest server, and then maybe that's a difference. Because you know sometimes when you signing into your MetaTrader, then it'll say Australia, New Zealand, it goes to different countries, their servers, then it eventually finds one you can connect to.
Oh, it's still not working.
Still not. Do you know your password for it?
I do, but
Try logging out and logging back in.
earlier when I tried to put in wanted to put in a 0.75 lot, I couldn't type 0.75, only 0.50 and one lot.
Yeah, I get you.
I don't know what the fuck that's about. Not me, I can't close anything, I can't do anything.
5-minute close bullish, but we're still below 1670. If this 5-minute closed above 1670, I would have looked at potentially taking off some risk here. But as long as we're respecting that previous support level, I'm happy here.
I can't type it, but if I go next to the thing and I fill it in manually, it works. But I can't type it the lots I want.
That's very weird.
Makes no sense. Oh, I see. The reason I couldn't see that shit at the bottom of my tab was over it because there was like window or something was open in the back of my laptop.
Oh.
That's why I was like, it was over my mute button and stuff.
We do want to see price break this previous 5-minute low, and then we should get a nice little squeeze into our break-even point.
Give me a second.
I was asking, do you want to jump today?
Yeah.
What's on?
How's 2? Or you want to go a bit earlier? 1:30.
Yeah, it should be fun.
1:30.
Yeah.
Okay, lekker.
just do me a favor. Be
Yeah.
ready like a little bit earlier because I'm coming into town to do a few things. And when I'm done, I'm gonna message you and then just like more or less get an idea of how done you are. But, like
Okay,
if
cool.
I finish like 12:30, I don't mind waiting. Obviously, I'll go find something to do. But then like let's do 1:15, not 1:30, just because I'm done basically. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I could probably do like 15:15, 20 past. You know
Like I'm saying, let me first.
Bradley Schreiber?
Yeah.
Yeah, he wanted to do a Zoom meeting or something at 1 o'clock. So I'm just gonna, but that'll be like 15 minutes.
Okay.
So then when I'm done with that, I'll let you know. Then I'll be ready.
I'll fucking go fetch you out to your fucking room. You done me on a call with Bradley Sharp, and that's what's keeping us up.
Eh,
I see Bradley's like following some wealthy oak or like
yeah,
watching Bradley's comments as well. I don't know who he is.
that guy posted with yesterday.
I didn't see yesterday's post, but I saw like the guy in the comments and I looked at his like profile.
Oh yeah,
He's a baller.
like 100k followers.
I don't know, but probably.
Wayne Dior,
Who
yeah.
is this now?
No, it's one of our mates from East London. He's just looks
Oh,
like
yeah.
he's getting involved with like an oak that's pretty wealthy. So obviously that's like beneficial to him.
Is this Bradley Kopke's friend?
think
Yeah,
he is.
same Bradley. Yeah, but he lives overseas now. Yeah,
Oh,
been living overseas for a while.
Creeping up to our break-even point. We're also about to close here on the 15-minute candle. There's still plenty of range to drive down here, so hopefully this new 15-minute can just get us to our break-even point.
No, I'm fucking stupid. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I'll explain to you now why.
Why now?
Just take us off YouTube quickly, bro. Then I'll explain it to you in Jared quick.
Wait. Let's just see this. I want to try to get to break-even here, Nico.
Yeah, no problem. That's what I'm saying. I'll tell you about it. Just remember, I told you I'm a fucking idiot.
Okay, alright.
yeah, I've got about 14 pips to go until break even.
Is that how much we have left? Isn't it like 10, 11?
I think Connor's got a little bit of a forward break even point than me.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
saying-
looking at the like 5-minute support to the left. So not the
Oh, I
actual
see.
wick fall, just the 5-minute support
Yeah.
there.
But obviously, if anybody does want to micromanage risk and this 15-minute pops back to entry, I would feel comfortable closing half.
There's no bottom wick yet, so I'd want to just see us flip at least.
No,
Yeah.
that's not a bad plan, actually. You know that, Jared. Like, I'm not saying for this trade, but just overall, if you are down, if you are in profit by like 11, 12 pips and it comes back, you close half the position on BE.
Yeah,
Yeah,
It's not
just
a bad
to help you out with those percentages.
Yeah.
if we had a bottom wick here and we weren't at break even yet and it came back to entry, I probably would take off some risk. I think that would be a good idea. But with no bottom
Yeah.
wick and we're just pushing back up, forming a new top wick on the 15, there's a very high probability we still flip on this candle.
The flip's either going to create a wick the same length as the one next to it, or it's going to break below.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I kind of
Yeah,
like
I
that
mean-
it's creating a steep top wick,
Yeah.
to be honest with you.
It doesn't need to become so steep that it goes through our entry. That's fine. We can say where it is now.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough of a top wick.
Yeah. It doesn't
Thanks,
need to
Gold.
touch it.
Yeah.
What was your entry? What did you get slipped to, Connor? Or what was your manual execution? Something?
70.07.
Ish, a cock one, eh?
So I got 70.4.
But my
I got
my original
0.2.
sell stop would have been 70.20, so it's like not even a pip and a half. Obviously,
Oh.
the prices are a bit different here.
Wayne, what was
Let me
yours?
just explain what I did, but I don't mind saying what dumb I am. So, I told you I'm gonna like up my lot and then close out half after 10 pips.
Yeah.
I was dumb, bro. I closed out So obviously I saw the profit that I would normally see on 10 pips. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm here. Let me close at half. Meanwhile, obviously because it's doubled a lot, I'm missing
fuck, so it was
5
5 pips.
Yeah, so I closed at half the position on 5 pips, not 10, bro.
No, I'm not.
Dolph.
No.
Then when I closed it, I'm like, how does this make sense, bro? The math don't add. And then I was like, oh, fuck, Nico, you idiot.
The math ain't mathing, eh?
Mathing.
You know, it was me not mathing. Here we go.
Flipping, can we break the low?
Come on.
Cheer on.
We're gonna
cheer
start with
back
our song now. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
At this
No,
point,
Jared,
if we came back to entry, I'd probably close half.
that was making me think I'm about fucking Jan Smuts gonna.
Oh shit, Jared. Oh, the way he's singing.
That's our what was that? Athletic thing where they go for school.
Yeah.
Athletics day.
Yeah, we also had that shit.
Okay,
I think
guys.
that's-
I'm getting ready to close half here. I got my finger on the trigger. Okay. I'm gonna close half right here and move stops to break even.
My God.
So about 15, 16 pips. Good start to the week. I think I'm gonna keep this time, even though London Open is a bit later. I've been enjoying this pre-London volume.
Yeah. No, I was gonna say to you as well, like this doesn't really change much for me unless we can continuously see that there's low volume.
Yeah.
But until we see that, there's no point in saying,
So
like, oh, no.
Technically it should be fucking better for us because now if everything's moved up an hour, we're gonna see those nice moves we're complaining about seeing pre-London. We'll not
I
see
know. That's what I'm thinking.
them.
Well, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's to us. Hopefully. But
Okay, I'm at 22 pips right here, so I'm gonna close half. And then I'm just gonna let it rock to 67.8.
67.8.
And then that's
Oh,
gonna be
okay,
my
that'll
final
work for-
target for the morning.
so my friend. No, I told you I was being a monkey, but fuck, I'm taking the cake this morning. Let me tell you.
Why not?
No, it doesn't matter. Just yes.
I'm gonna close another 25% as we fill this week at 67.8.
You see,
And for the
Javier
people that-
Ortiz is a man of wisdom. He sees a win and he subscribes.
Oh yeah.
And for the guys that aren't feeling comfortable, close out like 80 to 90% of your position and then literally just leave it on it. Just so you can see it happening and get confident.
Yeah. Yeah, that's always a very good approach. Secure your profit, but leave a small runner, even if you have to leave a 0.01, just to get that confidence to let your trades run. Nico, what did you
Yeah.
do to my MetaTrader?
No, fuck, don't even start with me, bro, because I'm gonna hit my phone.
I can't-
promise you.
I can't fucking close what I want to close here.
Type in by the pluses to this next to it. Like go plus manually. That's the only way, but do it quickly so you can get your position closed.
No, man, there's no pluses here.
To the right,
Insert.
monkey at the top, next to the lot where you entered.
Okay,
Fuck, plus.
okay. Fuck.
Inserts magic keys.
What is going on here?
I don't know. It's weird. It's because you probably know when you went to close 25%, it was at 0 point something. Eh?
Yeah, it was there's a
Yeah.
0.50 at the end, and it won't let me type in the 0.50.
Yes, bro. You have to go plus. Click the far right one 5 times.
Yeah.
if you have it.
I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Mr.
Run.
Banks, if you're watching, I support you and your magic keys. I'm not like them.
Sure.
I was just trying to look also at
Send pips.
Yeah. I'm gonna close 25% here. So I've closed 75% of my position. 23 pips. And just letting the runners run. GJ, quite
What is
uneventful.
TP, bro?
Let's go.
TP,
Let's go.
my final TP is 165. Sorry, 1665.
Oh, so that's like now.
20,
Yeah. like
25 more pips.
Okay, wait. Do you see this, Connor? You see what's happening right now? You?
What?
Yeah, do you see what's happening? This means our day starts earlier, my friend. You
I
see
know. I
that?
know.
You see that?
This is why I'm enjoying this pre-London volume.
What? I have the golf clubs in my car. You wanna go driving range? What?
Oh, I'll back it.
I'll back it. I came second yesterday, my friend. I played every time I went to Python, I played better. First time I went, I played 65, which is absolutely horseshit. Second time I went, I played 55, and that was the day before yesterday. And then yesterday I went again, I played 51.
Jeez,
So,
dude. I'm gonna have to
yeah.
go play by myself to get some practice.
Oh, fucking Larkin played 46, my friend. Jesus, I don't know how.
Who's locking?
I was there with my mate Dylan and his brother, and Larkin's a mate of ours as well. You know what we did after that, though? Connor? We
Yeah.
went to Dole's farm, went on the farm. We shot guns, bro. His brother had a 236. There was a .22, and there was a what was the pistol?
Wasn't it that
Wasn't a
Glock you sent a
Glock,
pic?
it wasn't. He doesn't have the Glock yet. He's getting his license, and then it's almost done basically. So he's almost able to buy it. So it's like just one more thing he's waiting for. But the pistol we were shooting was on a Glock. It was a CZ, I think it is. Yeah, we were shooting with those things, bro. Like say, you know, I'm a don when it comes to shooting, my friend. Let me tell you, I'll fucking clap people. My friend,
It's because you're Afrikaans.
hey, listen, but because I played Call of Duty on my PlayStation. That's fucking hard.
Nah,
Yeah, that's why he's got that
Listen.
360 no scope.
I shoot with the dude. Jesus, I would have shot Dylan. Along. Anyway,
Fuck.
sitting I shoot. Oh, we're shooting off the Bucky's roof, okay? But there's a target 150 meters away, so it's not that far.
Yeah.
Shooting with a 236, that's pretty like close. So 3 shots, boom, all 3 hits away. Shooting with a .22. Now I don't know if you know what a .22 is, but it's like really small bullets compared to it. It sounds like a pellet gun almost when you're shooting with this thing.
Oh yeah.
So shooting with okay, but it's obviously still gonna fucking murder you if it shoots a person, but yeah. So we're shooting. So the thing is, we say we're gonna see who can shoot the fastest because the mag is only 10 bullets. We can shoot the fastest by hitting the target the most.
Oh yeah.
So I'm first, bro. I go 9 out of 10 in 56 seconds. So it's not that fast, but it's pretty fast. So everyone else goes, the best was 8, bro. These oaks shoot, eh? I don't shoot. These oaks shoot. I beat them. They said, nah, I must go again. It was beginner's luck.
Have you ever been hunting?
Nah. I go again. I shoot the next 10 I shoot 10 out of 10, my friend.
Yes,
Don't fucking play, yeah. And then I shot a few times with that pistol. I think it was a CZ, I'm not sure, but yeah.
Dude, I wanna go hunting sometime. Yeah.
We can go hunting, Connor. Dylan said he'll take us, bro. We just basically all that the hunting works is like he has guns, so obviously we might just need to buy bullets or whatever, but that's fine. And then obviously you have to pay for what you want to shoot.
For the animal,
If you want to shoot a fucking kudu, you're gonna pay more, obviously. If you want to shoot a little buck, that's a little Bambi, cool, that's cheap.
I'll shoot a warthog.
But whatever you shoot, they like you basically bring back and they carve up the meat and give it to you.
Yeah.
So, man.
Can I tell you guys a hunting joke?
Oh, it's Jared.
Look at Wayne.
Okay.
Yes, that's Wayne. Look at Wayne. Jared, fuck you. I don't care about you. Your brother-in-law doesn't have a farm we can hunt on.
Yeah.
So there's Wayne. I'm joking. What'd you say, Jared?
Okay, here's a hunting joke. So this guy arrives to a hunting farm, and the farmer greets him and says, "Okay, listen, you can go out hunting today. You can shoot whatever you want and just bring it back." So he's like, "Okay." So he's like, "Do you guys possibly have somebody that'll come with to spot for me?" So he says, "Yeah." He sends one of the boys out with binoculars on, and they get to the first animal, and it's about 500 meters away. So the spotter goes, "Okay, go a little bit to your left, a little bit to your right, a little bit up." Shoots, kills it. They carry on with the day. They see another animal a kilometer out. He's like, okay, go a little bit to your left, a little bit to your right, and then he shoots it and kills it. So then they go to 1.5 kilometers, and the hunter goes, I can't even see it. I don't know if I can shoot it. So he's like, no, it's not an issue. Go a little bit to your left, a little bit to your right, a little bit up, shoot, kills it. So then he's like, oh, wait, I see the farmer and his wife in the window of their house. So the hunter goes, where is it? I can't see it. So he goes, go a little bit left, go a little bit right. Now go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Bro, Jared,
Fuck's sakes, Jared.
Jared, remind me, I must tell you something about the joke you just said, okay? But
Yeah,
like,
but that's-
privately on WhatsApp.
That's proper funny,
Like 1.5 kilometers. When you said that, I was like, wait, what? How fucking far is this man gonna shoot? But then I realized when the joke, it wasn't gonna be about the hunting itself.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Please remind me to tell you a joke as well after this, but this I'm not going to say on YouTube.
There's also something. Oh, wait, Jared.
Yeah, we're running here, we're pushing.
Yeah.
Oh no, Jared doesn't know what happened to me. I'll tell
Oh,
you later,
shit.
I'll tell you after stream.
This
He was
weekend.
busy, so.
Yeah.
What? What did you say? What did you say, Jared?
This weekend.
What? Monday, last week Monday.
Oh, yeah. This doesn't sound good.
Oh man, is a animal. Let's just say that.
Actually, bro, like, there's no one in chat that actually matters, I suppose. I had a stroke, Jared.
Really?
Yeah, I've
Shucks,
basically
dude.
created the stroke myself. So I had a very large stroke. I'm taking pre-workout and gymming. So obviously, because like my tolerance builds up to the pre-workout, I was taking more and more and more, and eventually I got to the point where in Hellfire it says 2 scoops. I take 4.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I take one.
Yeah.
I'm basically
Sakes.
in the gym like 3.5 weeks ago. I was gymming, but obviously I took my 4.5 scoops, and then I went to gym and I gym. And the doctor said it's like with like putting pressure on yourself with gymming, that causes blood pressure to go up, and like pre-workout is causing it to like just skyrocket too. So yeah, I basically sparked my own blood pressure to give myself a large stroke.
Sure.
I don't have any. Okay, I do have damage. My left eye took damage, so I have blurry vision in my left eye now because there's like blood on my left eye. It was bleeding in my left eye, and there's a blood clot. But yeah, that's the only damage I took. But I mean, fuck, I waited 9 days before I went to the doctor, and then I mean, yeah, when I did go, before I went, in those 9 days, I jumped like 6-7 times. I even had like a hard leg session with Connor as well.
Yeah, it
I
was
Jeez.
actually.
didn't feel much, so yeah.
You
It
see,
wasn't
chat,
negative.
chat, take it easy on the pre-workout. Shit's
Okay,
not
that's
good.
That's literally the only thing.
Yes, dude, I hope you're alright, eh?
And now I'm fine. Found out last week Monday about that. That's what caused it, and then they gave me like an injection in my eye or some shit. Stop the
Fuck.
bleeding, shit like that. The only treatment I get now is like for the next 3 months, once a month, I must go for this injection in the eye so I don't lose my left eye.
Shit, dude.
But my eye's not bad, bro. Like, I have permanent damage on it. The blindness is permanent, but like, I can close my right eye and look with my left eye, and I can see basically fine. It's just I can't read.
Yeah.
So,
But dude, you look sick with the pirate's eye thing, eh? Yeah.
yeah, you shut the fuck up.
Jared, you got no chill.
Alright, bro. If I lost this motherfucker, bro, all the anime I watch, bro, I'll have a sick ass fucking eye. Let me tell you.
Yeah. If
Or
you lost,
I'll just tattoo my entire left eye.
yeah,
That's
dude,
my
if
point.
you, what do you call it, lost your left eye, you'd only be watching half the anime you ever watch, eh? Yeah, I'm sorry, that's my last joke.
DJ, I close half,
Oh,
but it goes re-enter other half at break-even price. What happened?
Alright, you make me wonder sometimes, my friend. You know that.
I'm not sure what you mean, DJ. But we hit our break-even point. We closed partials. There was only
Where
one
is it?
entry here.
Oh, he's fucking meditator's also probably fucking around, dude.
Oh shit, maybe I don't know what's up
Wait,
with MetaTrader.
Close half, but it goes re-enter the other half and break even.
I don't know.
No, I don't fucking know what you're saying.
Fabio, I'm gonna have to get some practice, my friend. I'm not the greatest there. I've just been to the driving range a few times, so working my way up. I'm gonna play some Mashi golf here with Nico, and then and then I'll see.
That's literally what I was thinking, Justin. Like, I was literally thinking I can get that and a mango. What's the other one? The fucking other mango something.
Oh well.
Let's not think that far, bro. My odds aren't that bad. Calm down, James. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm not that bad, but I haven't played on a course since I was like 12. So I just want to
Oh,
get
but listen,
back
if
into the
Fabio
swing
can
of
play,
things.
this man must pull up and show us at least something, but we need to figure out how do you become consistent.
Yeah, I saw him on his IG story the other day. Where were you playing, Fabio?
Oh, but Fabio's from Port Elizabeth, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yes, that's why I'm shooting right there.
The 30-minute candle opened up. We had quite a strong push up. Still no bottom wick. If we survive break even and this candle flips, at that point I believe we have quite a high probability of hitting our targets here at 1665.
Oh, yeah, there you go, Connor. We have a place sorted where we can go hunt.
We're Pretoria.
Wayne, yeah. This is like 18 kilometers from Botswana. Very remote, it says.
Oh, yeah. That would be sick. And then we can get some chilies as well. There you win.
Yeah, salad sauce.
Yeah, you can give us the sauce.
Have you been hunting, Jared?
No, but I don't think I would.
No, it's not for you.
Yeah, it's not that I have anything against it. Like I actually, it's way
Carry the buck
better than
back
buying
out
meat
and stuff.
from a slaughterhouse. You know these huge farms that someone just like spate everything into a cow and then kill them. I'd much prefer hunting to that. Dude, I just don't think I could kill something.
We'll see.
Hey, sorry, Mr. Dahmer. Yes, like, no,
Never mind, bro. I apologize for asking you this question.
no, it's all good. It's just like I
You're
don't know.
a bitch. Oh, sorry.
Fuck.
Yes. Because you won't be able to see what you're shooting. So you must watch your words.
I only need one
Yeah,
eye to
it's
shoot.
like this, bro. I only need my rata, but and that one's fucking working. So I'm
Dude,
hundreds.
I'll fight you. I'll just
You only
make sure
use
I
one
stay
eye to look
safe.
down at the scope.
I mean, I don't know if they do. I think that's just beginner things. But hey, bro, I use my one now. Broke yesterday.
I'll shoot for you, Jared. Just eat, Wayne says.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
May to August they hunt, eh, Connor? So between May and August we must organize to go.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, one of the best pieces of meat I've actually had in a while was kudu steak from a mate who goes hunting quite often. It was flipping nice. You must go for lessons with the pro from one of the golf clubs. Yeah, I was actually thinking about that. I was thinking that's probably gonna help a lot to just tweak one or two things. Nico,
Yeah.
for your birthday, I'm gonna get us a golf coach.
You guys can just ask if you want lessons from me. You don't need to go and book a coach and stuff. I'll
please.
come through.
Didn't you play golf this past weekend, Jared?
Not this weekend, but I think it was last week or the week before. My first 9 was fucking terrible, but my second 9 was decent. Yeah, I was actually embarrassed of the first tee, bro. I shanked it. Everybody's standing behind you waiting for their tee to turn off. Now they're like, fuck, I have to be stuck behind this idiot the whole game. I was just like, oh, shit. Yeah, but my first 9 was, I promise you, dude, some of the worst golf I played. Then second 9, I was like, okay, cool. Let me start dialing in a bit, yeah. But they say it's always somewhere best to, if you go and play golf, you must first go to the driving range for like half an hour. Just get your swings in, get comfortable on your clubs, and then go.
Oh yeah, just to get your eye in, I suppose. Get the muscle memory activated.
Yeah.
Kudu steak is amazing. Warthog cheese grillers. Yeah, I've also had Warthog. I don't know if it was cheese grillers or just like force, but it was pretty decent.
Yeah, but Warthog sausages, man.
Yeah,
No,
that links. Yeah.
We must shoot 2 different things. You must shoot what you want to shoot. I must shoot something different.
And then I'm gonna shoot my shot. Yeah.
And then Jared's gonna be in the bucky crying.
Yeah, it's not
why
like
are you hurting
that.
the animals?
Like that. Oh god, listen to these eggs.
Fucking shoot you by mistake. Sorry,
Now
Jared.
you guys understand why I took a week off last week. Because each and every time I'm on here, I am abused.
That's it.
Sorry, Jared.
Wow, no, it's not alright. Okay, I'm even unsubscribing.
Reports channel.
Exactly. And then tomorrow, guys, I was just kidding. Let me back. Call you like a crazy ex.
Links. How is Links? It looks like a really nice course. Am I coming to Billy's? I don't know.
Oh, we're
I
gonna
don't
go
know.
up to EE for sleep there one night, next day play golf.
And then we drive through to Cape Town.
Jesus. Never mind. Fuck it. You just like dial. Can't just offer something small. You have to fucking take the whole arm. You have no chill.
Fuck. Yeah, that is something Carl would do, I'll say.
Exactly. Fucking Carl just hears Black Label turns into a monkey, bro. Yeah.
You say Black Label and then next thing it's flipping below
Sitting
deck.
at 2 in the morning at a fucking bar, still safe.
Do you see where it ended up?
Yes,
the other night?
below deck. Carl sent me a picture of him.
Oh
And
no,
it was like,
I just saw him outside of Cannons on his story.
oh no, my fuck. No, I just saw him at below deck because Carl sent me a picture, so I don't know how. Oh, Jared Young. Cannons is where he gambles. That's why they went to
Yeah.
Cannons. Oh. How much does it cost to play the Links? Let me see if it's like a big difference between all classes.
Dude, I always just budget $1,000 if we go and play a course.
Yeah, but the thing is, like we don't really have courses that they can like charge us quite a lot, yeah. So because like
No, but you you're paying the petrol to drive out there. You're getting beers. You're having something to eat
oh, my
at
friend, but you live
the
very
nine.
fucking far. Like your everything by you is far. By us, the furthest drive is gonna cost me 100 rand petrol. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, but then
literally.
You need to someone buy balls. Yeah,
what?
it adds up quickly.
No, you really do overthink, Jared. Fuck's sakes, bro.
No,
Yo.
but that's
No,
legit.
Jared budgets
pull
to
up.
the penny.
Bro,
Wow.
if you have a Tommy that has a ball and you don't have balls, Tommy give me a ball. If you don't give you a ball, put him with a golf stick, take a ball. Works out
Just go
always.
swim in one of the little dams. You'll find plenty.
Not
Have
really-
you seen those fucking crocodiles in there?
Yeah.
Imagine.
Not really play with my one friend because I'm like, hey bro, do you have balls? He's like, bro, every ball here cost me 6 million rand. And you're like, yeah. And then
Is that what he said to you?
No, but
No,
these balls are fucking
sarcastic
expensive.
when I
Like,
said
this,
expensive.
like it's
What an
basically
asshole.
100 rand a ball. So you have to buy those cheapies from the golf club, and you're like, shit, how many am I gonna need?
Are
So then you
cheap,
just
my
want to buy
friend.
a pack of
Driving
10.
range and you throw half into your bag, the other half you
Yeah.
eat. What do you mean?
Yeah, straight.
You imagine
I
I
somebody
don't know, you
fucking
guys are gonna
driving
sort
range
us out.
this thing.
$50 for 100 balls.
But last time we played this one course where, as you get off the first tee, then these guys come to you and they're like, listen, do you guys need balls? Then you're like, oh yeah. Then legit, they brought me like a pack of 50, and I think he charged me, it was like 3 rand a ball.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yes, please. They shit balls, but I mean, they do the job.
Yeah, but one of us on one
They
of the
get lost
courses,
just the same.
one of the courses, on the like 18th hole, tee off towards the clubhouse, okay? But now, if you tee off like not towards the clubhouse, like completely opposite direction, you're teeing off towards the ocean because it's literally just like it's a hill, and then down at the bottom of the hill is a road. But like you really have to eat really shit to eat that road. But if you tee off with a nice shot there, you can like just see your ball drive into the ocean. That's pretty dope.
Yeah. Wayne says, Nico, you have a serious problem stealing range balls. That's true.
Bro, it's not stealing. I paid for them.
It's
technically.
borrowing.
Paid for them.
I
Give me a
paid
sec.
for them. Listen, and where the fuck? It was 35 rand for 50 balls, and then overnight 50 rand for 50 balls. Overnight went up of 15 rand. That's like, that don't make sense. Bro.
Guys selling balls on the side of the road. Which road? Not in East London.
Now, you hear these people that sell, like, these people that pick up balls on the course?
Oh,
Then
yeah.
They keep them, and
Yeah.
then they find golfers along the way, and they say, listen, what do we... But once I was pissed off with that guy. He was in, like, this pond thing, but it was like a little creek, so it was like running water, and then he's in there, and I know I smacked my ball in there. Then we go down there, we drive down there, and he's fucking legit got my ball in his pile. Then I'm like, bro, that's my ball. And he's like, no, I found it earlier. And I'm like, dude, I'm not crazy. I literally just hit that ball.
I'm not crazy. I promise you I'm not crazy.
Yo, then he's like, no, it's from earlier. Then I'm thinking, yeah, man, I'm gonna drown some man in a creek over a golf ball. Like, I was like, yes, like, hey, fuck it off.
That depends. You're gonna have to hold him by his ankles because if you guys are walking together, you'll drown first, my friend.
Oh, let's just like, wow, is that a short joke, sir?
Bro, if you took that as a short joke, I just meant maybe you can't swim or something, you know? But
Wow.
if you're going for a short, that's your choice.
Wow.
Fabio, let me get some practice in, and then we'll go for a day at Links sometime.
Just don't take Niku, because the cops are waiting for him on the 9th, seeing what balls he has.
Nah, Nico's gonna be the guy on the side of the road selling the golf balls.
I mean, I'm using a steal a few, I'm not gonna lie. I lost a few.
Nah, there at Links you're gonna find some nice balls. Bro, can you shout out my gaming channel? Why not, DJ? You're a loyal subscriber. What's your gaming channel name? Give yourself a shout out in the chat. Free promo.
So is a 1 minute sculptor gone?
Yeah, no, we had a little bit of an altercation on Discord. Did you see it?
Oh,
Yeah,
what
I
a
did see that.
Fuck that chick, man.
Dude, I was also so annoyed with it, bro. Even before.
Yeah,
guys
you
announced
actually
it.
said like 2 days before that happened. You said we should kick her.
What happened there? Hello.
I'm gonna look now. Wait.
Nah, so what happened? Okay, so what happened was she was speaking to people, but she wasn't making sense. And then she's like going back and forth about different this and this strategy. And now, yeah, can you explain the 4 hour? Then she's like, yeah, she's not going to use it. She only checks a 1 minute and what. So then I was getting annoyed. I was like, man, like, yeah, you're going back and forth, and then she's in a sell and a buy and this and that. And then I was just getting like, man, she's just gonna confuse people, but I'm already confused. So then Connor and her had a little bit of a tiff where she called you stupid, and she was just talking cuck, and then Connor like explained everything nicely, and then she called Connor arrogant, and then
Yeah,
she
she
here's the
said,
message.
wait, here's the message.
She said, these stupid rates. I don't know much about these stupid rate things.
Stupid rate things. Literally
Yeah.
the main market driver throughout the majority of the year. I literally
and
said
then
maybe
Connor,
you should just know those stupid rates.
yeah. And then Connor says, stupid rates, question mark. Please just leave. So she's like, okay, I don't need an arrogant community. And then Connor says, yeah, it's the main market driver throughout the whole year. Maybe you should know about these stupid rate things. And then I'm like, man, like, yeah. I don't know, dude. Yes.
No, but the thing is, she doesn't listen.
But yeah.
She comes onto the stream, she asks for advice, I give her advice. I say, take off all 700 of your indicators, and instead of just trading the 1 minute chart, zoom out, have a look at what's actually going on the higher time frame. You know what she does? Fuck all. She comes back the next day doing the same thing.
Oh, dude.
So I literally just said, because she says, okay, I don't need arrogant community. I said, we don't need people not putting in work. Go get spoon-fed somewhere else.
Yeah. Yes, dude. Oh. I also got super annoyed yesterday. I was just like, man.
But I was very patient with her, like, yeah. She just had to be put in her place at some point.
Yes.
And like I say, I was happy for her to stay. But the thing is, she doesn't listen. So I try help, but she doesn't want that help. I don't need her. You know? I'm happy to help her, but she doesn't want to help herself, so that's her problem.
The thing is, I feel like we trade a certain way. And if you gel with a certain way of trading, cool. If you don't, but you still want to be cool, then just don't come and push your cuck on everybody.
Yeah, that's very true. She clearly has her own way of trading, but is it working for her? From what I've seen, no.
Not really. DJE Usky sent his thing, so are we someone just gonna all go subscribe quickly?
How do you do this thing? How do you see it? I don't see it.
Just go take his name.
Oh, what's up for Shay?
Wait into the search bar and then just go sub. Yo, DJE Usky, I'm subscribed already.
I think I'm also subscribed already, to be honest.
Yeah.
DJ Ufsky. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. So are all the boys going to Billy's, Vishay?
What is Billy's?
Billy's Beach in St. Francis, like a New Year's
We
stroll.
went there in 2019, I think.
I see Pre wants to go to that Wonder Bay in Plit.
Yeah, kind of fun. Feeling how they drag now. They've been done long ago.
Yeah, no. Well, it looks like we might hit break even, yeah. Shit's not loading.
10 o'clock, I'm calling it, bro.
That's DJ's channel. If you're interested in gaming, go have a look at DJ Ufsky's channel, yeah.
If you just feel like being a G, just go subscribe.
Support the boy.
Yeah, if you want to support, I'm going to send through my banking details and then just send me money and I'll send it to DJ Usky at some point in my life.
Some point.
I went to Plit in 2019 for the December New Year's thing. But I don't think there was Wonder Bay that year. No, I missed New Year's, that's it. And 2018. 2018, I think I went to Wonder Bay. I don't know if it was Wonder Bay then. You saw me there? Fuck, I don't remember. Anyway, guys.
Cheers, Scott, man.
Nah. Don't you think of St. Francis, Fabio? You think of Belize in 2016.
Yes. Was it we love summer? Yeah, your Oaks. What? No, if you can't even remember.
Yeah, we love summer. I think that's the pledge all I went to. Yes, we must have been. I don't remember that. Yes. 2017. Yeah, 2017 St. Francis. That's when I went with you, Vishay. With the Musendas. Oh, fuck.
Ooh, the Mazindas sound like trouble. I don't know why.
They twins, dude. Those look
Not
so
a wow.
wild. Oh, fuck, here comes Taran. One day con. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the stream here before these oaks get too rowdy.
But Con, Nico, please remember to stay on Discord so I can tell you that joke.
Okay, cool. Alright, guys, well, this is gonna be the stream. At this point, we've closed most of our position here. So, stop loss is at break even. Secured some profit, risk-free trade. My TP is at 1665. I'll keep you updated on the Discord, but for the most part, I'll just probably let this run to TP or break even. So thanks for joining today, guys. Take it easy and
Cheers, guys.
safe
Bye-bye.
trading. Remember, we've got elections this week. We've got CPR on Thursday. Daily candle on gold here looks like it has no top wick. So just be aware, you know, market conditions are a little bit out of whack. So be careful, manage your risk, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. And yeah, that's it from me. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, X.
Thanks for popping in, guys. See you. TP, TP, TP.
Laughter. Just quick drinks out. They done by like fucking 10:05.
I got 27 pips.